Hi guys, today is June 27th, right?
Yes.
Yes, June 27th, Saturday. I'm here with Mary, even if she's not in the camera. However, we are in,
Serinchamps,
exactly. And today, around 60 kilometers, I'm going to,
Neufchateau.
fantastic. That was the information. It's a little bit hilly here. So yesterday, for example, it was a little bit tough and was a crazy ride. I entered also in the highway. That was a mistake. And so yesterday night, a great, fantastic dinner thanks to Mary. We had an aperitivo playing voice and guitar. There was also a friend of her, and I slept very good. And so today is just 60 kilometers, and that will be the last city in in Belgium. I will take some pictures. We are on the hills, so there are good skyline. And thanks again, Mary, for the great hospitality. And this is a really nice place in the country, and it's also quite close to Luxembourg, Germany, and France, right?
Yes.
So it's a strategic point. Okay, bye for now. Today, just 62 kilometers, basically the half of what I did yesterday. And let's go up and down. Ciao.